Plant family, 1720 genera in Asteraceae. Asteraceae, my blooming fascination. Growing up amidst the lush greenery, I've always had an inherent love for nature's wonders. Among them, the Asteraceae family holds a special place in my heart. With their diverse forms, vibrant colors, and sheer ubiquity, these flowering plants have been a constant source of fascination for me. Also known as the Compositae family, Asteraceae comprises over 32,000 species, making it the largest family of flowering plants. From towering sunflowers to delicate daisies, the diversity within this family is awe-inspiring. As a plant enthusiast, I've spent countless hours exploring the intricate details of these flowers, and I'm constantly amazed by their complex structures. One of the most striking features of Asteraceae is their unique inflorescence, or flower head. What appears to be a single flower is, in fact, a cluster of numerous tiny flowers, or florets, arranged on a receptacle. These florets come in two main types: ray florets, which are often petal-like and brightly colored, and disc florets, which are usually tubular and located in the center of the flower head. This clever design not only enhances the visual appeal of the flowers, but also attracts a wide array of pollinators, ensuring the continuation of their species. As I delve deeper into the world of Asteraceae, I encounter an astonishing array of genera, each with its own unique charm. Sunflowers, Helianthus, with their towering stalks and radiant yellow faces, are a symbol of joy and optimism. Daisies, Bellis, with their simple elegance and cheerful demeanor, evoke a sense of innocence and purity. Asters, Aster, with their starry clusters of colorful flowers, add a touch of magic to any landscape. The list of captivating genera goes on and on. Chrysanthemums, Chrysanthemum, revered in many cultures for their beauty and symbolism, come in a dazzling array of colors and forms. Dahlias, Dahlia, with their intricate patterns and vibrant hues, are a testament to nature's artistry. Zinnias, Zinnia, with their bold colors and long-lasting blooms, are a favorite among gardeners. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Asteraceae plants play a vital role in our ecosystem. They provide food and shelter for countless insects, birds, and other animals. Many species are also used in traditional medicine and have been shown to possess various medicinal properties. As a nature lover and aspiring botanist, I'm committed to learning more about this remarkable family of plants. I believe there's still so much to discover about their evolution, diversity, and ecological significance. By studying and appreciating these plants, we can gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and our place within it. See full list at monsteraholic.com. This is just a glimpse into the vast and wonderful world of Asteraceae. I invite you to join me on this journey of discovery and appreciation. Let's celebrate the beauty and diversity of these flowering plants and work together to protect them for generations to come.